Hello students, in previous video we have done the addition of weights and today we will find the difference between the given weights. So we are doing the worksheet number 3 and we have done question number 1. Now today we will start with the question number 2, that is find the difference. And the first question is 8 kg 475 grams and 3 kg 162 grams. Now here what we have to see first to find the difference. Here and is given between the two weights. So first of all we have to check which given weight is more and which one is smaller. So because why? Because हम जो greater number होता है या greater weight होगा उसको हम ऊपर लिखते हैं subtract करते हुए and smaller को नीचे. So we have already learned that हम हमेशा जब compare करते हैं whenever we compare the units तो हम bigger unit को ही पहले compare करते हैं. यह kg and grams में given है question. So we have to compare the kilograms first. अगर उससे हमें पता लग जाता है which one is greater, then there is no need to compare the grams, that is the smaller unit. So here 8 kg and 3 kg. So which one is greater? 8 kg is more than 3 kg. So there is no need to compare the grams. So this 8 kg 475 gram is more than 3 kg 162 grams. So you know how to subtract. First of all we will write the units, that is kg and grams, and then write the number 8 kg 475 grams and 3 kg 162 grams. Now subtract it. So as 475 gram is greater than 162 grams, so there is no need to borrow, so we will subtract it directly. 5 minus 2 is 3, then 7 minus 6 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, and this is gram, and next we will subtract the kilograms. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So this is the answer. This is the direct question. It is same as we have done in the previous unit, that is length. Length में भी हमने addition subtraction किया था. ये सेम है जैसे हमने किलोमीटर एंड मीटर को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया था, वैसे ही ये किलोग्राम्स एंड ग्राम्स को हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. नेक्स्ट इज द बी पार्ट. द क्वेश्चन इज 13 kg and 95 grams and 31 kg and 296 grams. Now what is the first step? First of all we have to compare the given weights. So given weight is 13 kilogram and 95 grams and 31 kilograms and 296 grams. So which one is greater? So as I have already told you that we have to compare the bigger unit first. So here 13 kilogram and 31 kilogram. So which one is bigger? 31 kilogram is bigger. So there is no need to compare because हमें किलोग्राम से ही पता चल गया कि which one is greater. अगर ये by the way same होते 13 kilogram then we have to compare the smaller unit. तभी हम compare करेंगे smaller units को अगर हमको bigger unit से पता नहीं चलता which one is greater. वो कब होगा? जब हमारी bigger unit दोनों same होंगे, like 13 kg and 13 kg. But here हमको यहीं से पता चल गया that 31 kg is greater than 13 kilogram. So we will subtract this by this. So first of all write the units, kilograms and grams. We will write this first, 31 kilograms and 296 grams, and then 13 kilograms and 95 grams. So how we will write 95 grams? You know, ones place comes under ones and tens place under tens. So we will write 95 like this. Now subtract this. So you know that 296 gram is greater than 95 grams. So there is no need to borrow. So we will just subtract it. 6 minus 5 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 2 will come as it is. This is grams and kilograms. We will subtract kilograms now. So 1 is smaller, so it will become 11, and we will borrow from here. So what will left over here is 2. So 11 minus 3, 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the answer. Now C part, that is 42 kilograms. 42 kilograms and 675 grams and 26 kilograms and 439 grams. So here again what we have to do, first of all we have to compare these two weights. So 42 kilograms and 26 kilograms. So which one is greater? 42 kilograms is greater than 26 kilograms. So we will write this first, kilograms and grams. So 42 kilograms and 675 grams and 26 kilograms and 439 grams. Now subtract it. So now again you can see here the 675 gram is greater than 439 grams. So there is no need to borrow again. We will subtract it directly. So 5 is smaller than 9, so we will borrow from this. So it will becomes 15. What will left over here is 6. 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is grams. Then kilograms. So 2 is again smaller than 6, so we will borrow. It will become 12, and what will left over here is 3. 12 minus 6 is 6, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is the answer. We will do one more part. So that is D part. So what is the question? 9 kilograms and 439 grams. And 12 kilograms 178 grams. Now which one is greater? First of all check it, compare the bigger unit first. 9 kilograms or 12 kilogram, which one is greater? 12 kilogram is greater than 9 kilograms. So first of all write down the units, kilograms and grams. Now 12 kilograms and now note one thing here, 12 kilogram and 9 kilograms we will write like this. But what in the case of grams, हम कौन सा ऊपर लिखेंगे कौन सा नीचे लिखेंगे? The most common mistakes made by the students is this one. Here 9 kilogram is smaller, so we will write it under 12. But here 439 grams is greater than 178. So what we will do? Can we write 439 here and 178 here? No, that is wrong. Why? Because हम ये कभी भी जो है सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते. दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि हम 9 kg 439 ग्राम्स को अलग नहीं कर सकते. दिस वाई आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन एंड अगेन बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स मेकिंग द सेम मिस्टेक्स जो ये होती है. अब वो सब्ट्रैक्शन में, नॉट इन द केस ऑफ एडिशन बट सब्ट्रैक्शन के केस में वो ग्रेटर जो है वो हमेशा ऊपर लिख देते हैं. जो ग्राम्स में ग्रेटर होता है वो ऊपर लिख देते हैं. दे सेपरेट दीज टू थिंग्स. सो हेयर 12 kg 178 ग्राम, सो वी हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस ओनली. हम 178 को नीचे नहीं लिख सकते. 9 kg 439 grams. So see this step carefully and try to understand why I have written like this. यहाँ पर मैंने 439 ऊपर क्यों नहीं लिखा, बल्कि 439 is greater than 178, but I have written like this. Why? Because we can't separate this 9 kg 439 grams. ये पूरा एक ही वेट है, ये कंप्लीट है ये वेट, इसको मैं सेपरेट नहीं कर सकता. So this thing you have to keep it in mind. Now here 178 is smaller than 439. So what we will do? So in such cases we have to borrow. Borrow from where? Borrow from this side, from kilogram side. So we will borrow 1 kilogram. ये 1 ग्राम तो नहीं दे सकता, इसके बाद 1 किलोग्राम सबसे छोटी यूनिट है. सो ये 1 किलोग्राम ही दे सकता है. सो 1 किलोग्राम जब ये इसको देगा तो ये किलोग्राम यहाँ पर आके क्या बन जाएगा? 1 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम्स. सो ये बोरो करेगा 1 किलोग्राम. व्हाट विल लेफ्ट ओवर हियर इज 11. जब इसने 1 किलोग्राम यहाँ से ले लिया, यहाँ पर आके क्या बन गया वो? 1000 ग्राम्स. 1000 ग्राम्स यहाँ पर आएगा ये बोरो, और ये इसमें ऐड हो जाएगा तो कितना बन जाएगा ये? इट बिकम्स 1178 grams. So write it here, 1178 grams. Now we will subtract. You can see here 1178 gram is greater than 439 grams. Now we can easily subtract it. Now 8 is smaller than 9. So we will borrow, it will become 18. What will left over here is 6. Now subtract it. And here still 1 is smaller than 4, so we will borrow, it will become 11 only. So 11, if you want to write 11 here, or it is already written, that is up to you. So 18 minus 9 is 9, 6 minus 3 is 3, and 11 minus 4 is 7. So this is 739 grams, and then subtract the kilograms. So 11 minus 9 is 2 kilograms and 739 grams. So in this way we have to subtract. So here 2 more parts are left of this question. Try to solve it yourself. Next video we will discuss these 2 parts and also start the word problems based on addition and subtraction of weights. Thank you.